Hi there. In this lesson, we'll be solving some questions that you're likely to encounter in your examinations. Let's take a look at this question. If the second term of an AP is 8, while the fifth term is 17, find the 11th term of the sequence. Now we are given the second term and the fifth term of the sequence, that is T2, which can be written as A plus D, representing A as the first term and D as the common difference, is equal to 8. Also, the fifth term, T5, which is equal to A plus 4D, is equal to 17. Now let's represent these by equation 1 and this by equation 2. Now we need to solve for the unknown values of A and D before we can proceed to solve the question. To do this, we solve this simultaneously by subtracting equation 1 from 2. And that leads us to A plus 4D minus A plus D is equal to 17 minus 8. Now we have A plus 4D minus A minus D is equal to 9. We can see clearly that A gets eliminated from the equation and we are left with 3D, which is equal to 9. D becomes 9 over 3, which is equal to 3. Now to solve for A, we simply substitute the value of D, which is 3, into either equation 1 or 2. Now let's substitute this into equation 1. We have A plus 3 is equal to 8, and A becomes 8 minus 3, which is equal to 5. Now this means that the first term is 5, while the common difference of the sequence is 3. Now the question says find the 11th term, which is T11, and since this is the 11th term, this is equal to A plus 11 minus 1, which is 10, multiplied by the common difference. Now we know the values of A and D. Let's simply substitute that into the equation, and so we have 5 plus 10 times D, which is 3. Therefore, we have 5 plus 30, which is equal to 35. Now, let's take a look at another question. We have to find the sum to infinity of the sequence 1 over 2, 1 over 4, 1 over 8, 1 over 16, 1 over 32. Now to solve for the sum to infinity of the given sequence, S is equal to A over 1 minus R. From the information given, we can see that the first term A is equal to 1 over 2. However, we do not have the value for the common ratio R. To do this, we simply divide two consecutive members of this sequence. Now let's take the first two terms. Let's divide 1 over 4 by 1 over 2. And this is going to be equal to 1 over 4 times 2 over 1, which is equal to 1 over 2. Now the value of R is 1 over 2. Let's substitute this into the formula for the sum to infinity of any given series, that is 1 over 2 divided by 1 minus 1 over 2, which is equal to 1 over 2 divided by 1 over 2, and this is equal to 1. I'm sure you now know how to solve this type of questions. Ensure that you keep practicing to make sure that you do not make mistakes while solving it. See you again soon.